Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON files the easy way. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's designed to be easy for humans to read and write, and also simple for machines to parse and generate. Think of it as a universal language for data, making it incredibly versatile for web applications and more. Let's dive into the basic structure. JSON data is fundamentally organized into attribute value pairs, much like a dictionary. Objects are defined by curly braces, containing these pairs, separated by commas. Arrays, on the other hand, are ordered lists of values, enclosed in square brackets. Understanding these two core components is absolutely key to working with any JSON file effectively. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Just like keeping your JSON data clean and organized, it's great to keep your car fresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a simple way to make your daily drive much more pleasant. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. You can find the link for Little Trees and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Creating your own JSON file is straightforward. Simply open a plain text editor, like Notepad or VS Code. Then, type your data following the JSON syntax we just discussed. Remember to use proper curly braces for objects and square brackets for arrays. Finally, save your file with a JSON extension to ensure it's recognized correctly by other programs. Once you have a JSON file, reading its data is simple. Many programming languages, like Python, have built-in modules to handle JSON. For example, Python's JSON module can easily load your file into a Python dictionary or list. You can then access specific pieces of data using their keys, just as you would with any standard dictionary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.